guys, Sergeant First Class V here, back again with another GCSS-Army or maintenance helpful video. So today, I'm excited. We're getting ready to launch our brand new series on CMDP, Command Maintenance Discipline Program. All right, so in this series, we're going to break down all the categories in which we inspect a unit. All right, so this is one area that we fail as senior maintenance managers or supervisors because one, we don't inspect our units twice a year like we're supposed to according to regulation. And also, we don't give them the feedback that they need, right? So when I go into a command maintenance discipline program inspection or CMDP, to me, I treat it as an inspection, but it's also my time to actually hands-on training with the units. So keep in mind, if you have knowledge, make sure you're giving it to your units, all right? So like I said, in this series, we're going to cover every area that's inspectable. We're going to talk about creating an admin order to be published. That way you notify the units ahead of time, knowing that when they're being inspected, all right? I'm going to give you guys some helpful tools. In this series, there's going to be a bunch of documents. If you want, just go ahead and email or send me your email and I will get you those documents. But we're going to talk about a CMDP battle book. I put together a battle book covering each individual area, what the regulation says, helpful guides, tips, so forth for the units, all right? We're also going to talk, like I said, about the admin order, CMDP schedule, and embedded documents, you know, your day-to-day schedule with the unit. So when I do a CMDP, I do a 4-day schedule, and the 5th day is more of a makeup day. So if I have to re-inspect or something, I can go from there. But we're going to do all that. Like I said, we're going to cover maintenance publications, general maintenance, management operations, shop operations, class 9, team D, the battery program, your safety program, your Army Awards program, driver's training, maintenance security activity, PMCS, of course. That's one area that in my last inspection of my unit, they have all failed. All right, there's not enough command emphasis in the Army on maintenance, and I'm sure you guys are right there with me. We're also going to cover a few things, what I call dipsticks. All right, so I do a dispatching dipstick that covers their dispatching and usage, maintenance plan dipsticks to check the non-comps, make sure they're doing all that, and of course, the material management. All right, and also we are going to cover weapons and CBRN checklists as well. So this is going to be a huge series. We're going to break it up into parts. We're going to start with maintenance publications once we get through these first few videos showing you guys how to do the admin order and so forth. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance. Stay tuned.